Okay, good morning. Ron.McGowen here with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. And I'm going to show you this morning the 2017 Cardinal 3950 full residential unit. We're going to start here in the front this morning. The first thing you're going to notice is the MORride hitch assembly. They use the MORride, better ride, a little bit more movement. You don't feel quite that bucking sensation. Moving to the front cap, you're going to see we've got a fully painted front cap that is automotive paint, and you've got nice LED lighting here on both sides of this front cap. You're going to see in the front compartment, this is actually generator ready, which is very rare for a residential unit to be fully generator ready. The box is already there, the wiring is already there, everything is set to go. You'll also see we've got the 6-point leveling system, fully automatic leveling system. And look at that front compartment. Tons of storage. You've got a battery disconnect right here. You've got extra power here if you want to run a TV outside. And they put the spare tire right there. The reason they put that in there, obviously it keeps it dry, keeps the mud off of it, but it's also a lot easier to get to in the unfortunate event that you need to change that tire. You'll notice both of your low point drains, very easy access, and a full MORride step system. Fantastic step system, nice and sturdy. I'm a big guy. A lot of these steps in these units are a little bit loose and kind of clumsy. These are very, very sturdy, and they are adjustable based on the ground that you're parked on. Start off in the kitchen area here. Very important area in these units. Lots of storage and full pull-out drawers, which is really nice. You've got three pull-outs here. You've got the Furrion microwave convection oven, 3-burner range with an oven, and more storage. On this side of the counter, you're going to find a nice set of drawers on both sides. A large pull-out here so that you can put deep pots and pans in there. And a full residential under-the-mount sink. Beautiful sink. Nice large size with a pull-out faucet. Residential again, residential faucet. LG countertop. $18 cubic foot refrigerator. 18 cubic foot. Very large refrigerator. Nice storage area for your produce. And look at that freezer. Great freezer area. Again, this unit's made for residential living. It's a certified residential unit. You got another television here so that if you're in here preparing food, you want to catch something different than what's going on in the living area, you can do that. More storage. And a nice coat rack. This is a long coat rack. It holds several pieces. A lot of times you'll see units with 1 or 2 hooks. You can actually put several coats in here, both large and sweaters, things of that nature. Moving behind you here, we've got a nice residential style dining room table, and that does come with 4 chairs. And you've got the flip up here, so if you want to add a little extension there for more people, you can do that. The living area in this is fantastic. You've got 2 opposing couches. Both are sleeper couches. Theater seating. Nice 2 theater seating. And the TV actually comes up out of the countertop here, which allows you, when you're not watching TV, to have a nice window with a view. You've got the fireplace right there. And look at the cabinets in this thing. They're just beautiful. By the way, these are all hardwood cabinets. These are not, they're not pressed board. And they've got the residential style hinges on them. These are adjustable hinges. Makes a big difference because over time these do need adjusted, and it gives you a way to do that. Follow me into the bedroom area. Full king size sleeper, full king size, set up for washer dryer. Nice thing about this unit is that the washer dryer is right in front of you. It's not pushed off to the corner. The reason they do that is because here, look at the nice set of pullouts that you get. So you can put a lot of stuff in these pullouts. And just fantastic thinking in the way they do things. Going to come with the Dyson vacuum, cedar lined closet, and down here you've got additional pullouts. So again, additional storage. You've got a shoe rack there. And this is separated. LED lighting. Lots of storage under the bed. And a nice nightstand and dresser setup right here with the television. Again, you've got all LED lighting. You've got whisper quiet air conditioning system in this unit. It is a 4 seasons unit and it's truly designed for 4 seasons. In the bathroom area, you're going to find a one-piece molded shower. And look at the size of that shower. I'll demonstrate this for you because I'm a big guy. And you can see I've got tons of room in here. Lots of headroom. You've got a nice skylight here that allows in light and gives you additional headroom if need be. I'm about 6 foot tall, so kind of gives you an idea. The shower head is adjustable. It's on a slide bar, and these are glass doors. Solid surface countertop with porcelain toilet. Lots of room to store toiletry items, towels, things of that nature. And follow me outside. One of the nice things about this floor plan is it will remind you a lot of a reverse front living. The nice thing you get with this, you still get all of the storage in the front, but look at the storage you get here. Lots of storage underneath this living area. Tons of storage. It's going to be hard to find a unit with more storage than this. Solid back cap, solid fiberglass back cap, LED lighting with a ladder, and yes, it is a walk-on roof. We've got a 12-gallon water heater. And we've got all of our docking station, everything is right inside here. Our dump valves, our water filtration system, everything is all in one location. Black tank flush, outside shower, everything's right there. And moving on to the 6-point leveling system, we talked a little bit about that earlier. There's your control for that, one button for auto level, and you're set. So folks, again, my name is Ron.McGowen, Guaranty RV, Junction City, Oregon. You have any questions, feel free to call me directly at 541-968-6010 or Ron.McGowen at GuarantyRV.com. Thank you.